What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen, but not my kitchen. We're actually at my mom's house, and we're going to be making her a really delicious lunch treat for today. We're going to be making some black bean flautas. And here's our grocery list. Some poblano peppers, onions, tomatoes, some pepper jack cheese, a lime, some sour cream, some southwestern seasoning, black beans of course, and some tortillas. Now let's get to cooking. So as usual, we'll start by chopping up our produce. Chopping up our poblano peppers, onions, then our tomatoes. Now we're gonna start sauteing our peppers with our onions. And when they get to a really clear texture, nice and soft, we're gonna go ahead and add our black beans, add our southwestern seasoning, let them cook for about 10 minutes, and then start mashing. Now let's move on and start setting up our flautas. And now that all our flautas are golden, now it's ready to put all the toppings. Don't they look amazing? If you guys enjoyed this recipe with me today, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, share it with a friend. Have a blessed day.